Sino gusto nyo? Pinipili number 4, Angel Castro. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Once again, please give a big hand to all the winners of our last set of special awards. Palapakan po natin silang lahat.
Congratulations! Wow! Actually, we're almost done because we already awarded
Thank you very much, guys. All scores has been tabulated, partner, and that's concluded this competition. And of course, right now, going to announce the final 5. Let's begin by announcing our top 5 for our Ginoong Darangan. Alright, so thank you very much muna sa ating mga binibini.
Alright, so gaya din nasabi ni MJ, tuloy-tuloy po tayo because we are going to announce the top 5 finalists for our Ginoong Darangan 2025. This is your last chance to cheer for your candidates. Kaya naman ibigay niyo na po ang inyong 100% na suporta for your favorite Ginoong candidates.
Kaya naman ang tanong namin, sino sa tingin nyo ang deserve na maging part ng top 5 finalists? Ayan, kanya-kanya ng higawan ang ating mga contestant. And of course, after the announcement of top 5, we will proceed to the final question and answer portion.
Wow! Tuloy-tuloy tayo. So after ma-announce kung sino ang ating finalist, diretso agad ng Q&A or the question and answer portion. And again, for our candidates, the secret is just to relax. Okay, huwag kabahan and the presence of mind. Share your thoughts, sabihin nyo kung ano dapat sabihin. And just a reminder for everyone, sa ating mga audience, please, habang sumasagot po ang ating mga candidates, iwasan po natin ang magbigay ng komento or ng pagsigaw para po hindi po sila makabahan at maabala sa kanilang pagsagot.
And of course, announcement to all our candidates who will make it to the top 5. All questions will be coming from our dear judges for tonight. So, mag-ready na rin ng mga hurado sa mga katanungan para sa ating mga contestant, no?
Okay, so I have here the result for the top 5 Ginoong Darangan 2025.
So we are going to announce first all the top 5 before we proceed to the question and answer.
Yes. Okay, as mentioned ni MJ, we are going to announce the top 5 muna, and then after that, diretso into the question and answer round. Alright, are you ready, people of Darangan? First finalist for our Ginoo is Ginoo number. Ano pong number? Your journey continue in getting Ginoong Darangan crown. Ginoo number 3, Kurt Alihim.
Ginoon number 6, Hayden Onilongo.
Three more spots. Ginoon number. Ano bang number ang gusto ninyo? Pasok ka sa final. Ginoon number 11. Melton Canangonan.
You are also part of the top 5 Ginoon number. Ginoon 10, Lee Donovan Messia.
People of Darangan, only one spot left. Who do you think it is? What number? This is your last set to choose for our candidates. The final spot belongs to you. Ginoo number. Ginoo 9. Emmanuel Alvarez Caburo.
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen, our top 5 finalists for this year's Ginoong Darangan. And of course, we would like to say thank you and congratulations also our remaining 6. Panapangan po natin silang lahat. They really do their job tonight, but only 5 will make it to the final, Kimi. And with that, let's move on to the final Q&A.
Alright, so I'll be handling the final Q&A round of our top 5 Ginoo finalists. And again, reminder for everyone, please be quiet and let's give chance for our finalists to give their best shot in answering the questions. Alright? So let's begin with our Ginoo number 3, Kurt Alihid. Did I pronounce it correctly? Anong last name mo talaga? Alihid. Ayan, Alihid. I'm correct. So you're going to pick a number and give it to me. So that is the number of our judge. Tama po? Alright? So, Kurt, you pick judge number 3. Judge number 3, if I'm not mistaken, it's Edward Fante, the Mr. Result 2025. And just to make it clear, do we have a time limit for this round? Alright? Or walang time limit? Okay?
Hello? Okay. So my question is, what is the importance of being a Ginoo or binibining Darangan? Let me repeat that. What is the importance of being a Ginoo or binibining Darangan?
He is requesting kung pwede daw pong Tagalogin.
Okay. So in Tagalog, ano ang importansya sa pagiging Ginoo at binibining Darangan? Let me repeat that. Ano sa tingin mo ang importansya sa pagiging Ginoo at binibining Darangan?
Maraming salamat po sa inyong katanungan. Ang masasabi ko po, ito po ang pinaka-importante para sumali sa Ginoo at binibining Darangan o anumang patimpala. Ito po ay ang isang salita na may 6 na letra. At ito po ay ang tiwala. Tiwala sa sarili na dapat meron ng lahat upang makamit ang korona o ang ating akong minimithi. At bilang isang kandidato ng Ginoo at Binibining Larangan 2025, ipinapakita ko po sa inyong lahat ang aking 100% tiwala sa sarili. Kaya po, ayun po para sa akin ang pinaka-important. Ay lamang po at maraming salamat po.
Congratulations, thank you so much, Kurt, Aline, our Ginoo number 3. Let's continue and move on with our next finalist, and that is Ginoo number 6, Hayden Oninong. Hi, pick your number please. And your judge is judge number 5.
Okay, so supposing you are being ridiculed or your parents are being ridiculed because they are members of the LGBTQIA+ family, how would you respond to this ridicule? Again, supposing ang tatay or nanay mo ay miyembro ng LGBTQ community, paano mo i-handle or paano ka magre-respond doon sa mga nagre-ridiculate sa mga parents mo? Okay, I'll make it simpler. Kunwari, isa sa nanay o isa sa mga magulang mo ay miyembro or